How do scientists know if evolution is happening in a population? The answer lies in the Hardy-Weinberg Principle. The Hardy-Weinberg Principle states that, in a large, randomly mating population with no evolutionary forces acting on it, allele and genotype frequencies remain constant from generation to generation. It describes a population in genetic equilibrium. The Hardy-Weinberg equation is P plus Q equals 1. P squared plus 2PQ plus Q squared equals 1, where P equals frequency of dominant allele, A, Q equals frequency of recessive allele, A, P squared equals frequency of AA, 2PQ equals frequency of AA, Q squared equals frequency of AA. A Hardy-Weinberg equilibrium is disturbed by evolutionary forces: mutation, gene flow, migration, genetic drift, natural selection, non-random mating. Inbreeding or selective mating alters genotype frequencies. If any of these occur, then evolution is happening. So Hardy-Weinberg helps us detect whether evolution is occurring. If the equilibrium conditions are disturbed, allele frequencies change, and that means evolution. A gene locus has two alleles, A. If the frequency of dominant allele A is 0.4, then what will be the frequency of homozygous dominant, heterozygous, and homozygous recessive individuals in the population? Allele A frequency is 0.4. Can you find all genotype frequencies in 30 seconds? Let's do it. Given P equals 0.4, and we know that P plus Q equals 1. So Q equals 1 minus P equals 1 minus 0.4 equals 0.6. Now apply Hardy-Weinberg formula. P squared plus 2PQ plus Q squared AA equals P squared equals 0.4 squared equals 0.16 AA equals 2PQ equals 2 times 0.4 times 0.6 equals 0.48. AA equals Q squared equals 0.6 squared equals 0.36. So frequencies are 0.16 AA homozygous dominant, 0.48 AA heterozygotes, 0.36 AA homozygous recessive. So the correct option is 0.16 AA, 0.48 AA, 0.36 AA. Second question. In a population of 1,000 individuals, 360 belong to genotype AA, 482 AA, and the remaining 162 AA. Based on this data, the frequency of allele A in the population is. Population genetics question. Can you find allele A frequency in just 30 seconds? Let's go. Given AA, homozygous dominant, equals 360. AA, heterozygotes, equals 480. AA, homozygous recessive, equals 160. Total individuals equals 1,000. Total alleles equals 1,000 times 2 equals 2,000. Now count A alleles. From AA to 360 times 2 equals 720. From AA to 480 times 1 equals 480. Total A alleles equals 720 plus 480 equals 1,200. Frequency of A equals 1,200 divided by 2,000 equals 0.6. Correct answer is 0.6. At a particular locus, frequency of A allele is 0.6, and that of A is 0.4. What would be the frequency of heterozygotes in a random mating population at equilibrium? Allele A is 0.6 and allele A is 0.4. What's the heterozygote frequency? Let's solve it. Since it's a random mating population at equilibrium, we use Hardy-Weinberg. P squared plus 2pq plus q squared equals 1. We only need heterozygotes, which is 2pq, so plug in values. 2 times 0.6 times 0.4, 2 times 0.24 equals 0.48. Heterozygote frequency equals 0.48. Correct answer is 0.48. I hope this explanation helped you understand the concept clearly and solve Hardy-Weinberg numericals with confidence. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more biology content.